Hey there, everybody. I hope you guys are doing great. This is Scudder Bear here, and you know what? It has been a while, hasn't it? Just wanted to let you guys know, just wanted to check in for a second and say hey to everybody. I know it's been quite a while since I have done videos. Life's just been kind of crazy and kind of busy, as a matter of fact. So everything's still good, everything's fine. I just have been super duper busy with my resale business and with some side businesses. Things have just been crazy. Plus 2020, right? Definitely has been a crazy year. So that's kind of why I've been kind of MIA for a while here on the channel, and just kind of taking things one day at a time, living life best we know how in this 2020 age. And but things are good. Things are going good. So I'm going to make this kind of quick today. Because I've got some things I've got to take care of, and I just really kind of wanted to check in. But I wanted to let you guys know that I am now selling Color Street dry nail polish. It's one of the side businesses that I'm working in, and I really have some really great feelings about this company. If you guys don't know what Color Street is a dry nail polish. They come in strips, and it is really actually phenomenal. The strips are actual real nail polish. It's a base coat, a nail color coat, and then a top coat all in one, and you just apply them. And honestly, guys, I'm telling you, this is the easiest way to get yourself a manicure or a pedicure. There's no drying time like with wet polish. You put it on, you give it about 3 or 4 minutes to let it cure in, and bam, file it away, file it a little bit, your nails are done, perfect, and it's inexpensive. Cost is about $11 to $13 per set, and I really think that you guys should check this out. This is a wonderful thing. The company's about 3 years old. It's an all USA company. And the company is growing, and really, I think they're going to take off, and they're going to do really phenomenal. I'm going to show you guys kind of an example. If you can see here, these are the strips. You actually get 16 nail pieces here, and strips. You just kind of separate them, and I'll do another video later on showing you guys how to apply them. But this is kind of just an example. We've got about 60 plus shades and colors available on the site right now. We've also got the Halloween sets that are out, which are pretty cool for those of you that like Halloween and kind of want to holiday it up a little bit. And in the links, I'll put links below in the description, and you guys can just check it out. I've got a Linktree link. If you'll just click that, and then you can click the top link, and that's going to be my Color Street store link. And if you want to join my Facebook VIP group for Color Street, then that'll be the second link. You just click that, ask to join, and you'll find out some more great information about Color Street, new releases, things like that. So anyway, I just wanted to say hey to you guys. I really miss you guys. I miss doing YouTube, and hopefully, maybe if things can calm down this fall, then I'm going to try to get back to YouTube quite a bit more. I'm thinking about retiring from my resale business. Right now, I'm in the middle of liquidating and working on kind of liquidating my inventory for my resale business. I'll put a link in the description to that below too. It's for a Facebook group that I run where I kind of exclusively do my sales. Right now, I'm having a good sale, selling a lot of stuff pretty cheap, so you guys can check it out. But anyway, I just want to say hey again. Hope you guys are doing great. Leave me a comment. Let me know how you're doing. And let me know how life's treating you, how 2020 has treated you. And let's kind of catch up again, and let's kind of touch base, and I want to see how everybody's doing. So again, you guys, don't forget, check out the Color Street nails link. Really, I think you ladies who use nail polish, or even some of you guys if you use nail polish, I think you're really going to love this. I really do. It is getting so many great reviews right now, and everyone is just blown away with what you can do. You can do mixed manis with this, mixed pedicures with this. You can match it up. You can do overlays of colors. I mean, it is so amazing, and it is so very, very easy to do these. So you guys check it out. Really have missed you guys. Love you guys so much. And hopefully soon, I'll be back with some more videos on some different topics as well. You guys take care. Thanks for hanging in there with me. God bless. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye now.